Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix any button in your remote. In this remote, every button is working perfectly, but the main one, the power one, is not working perfectly. That's why I'm going to show you how you can fix this. There are two methods by which we can solve this issue. Method 1 is to remove your batteries and then push each button in your remote from top to bottom, and that's way the excess current can be removed. This method is not working for me. As you can clearly see, the button is still not working. So let's move to method number 2. For this, we have to again remove the batteries and then we have to open the remote. Make sure to be very careful when opening your remote, as you can easily hurt your fingers. This is the actual PCB which we have to clean in order to fix the button problem or the remote problem. You can clean the PCB with tissue, isopropyl alcohol or wet wipes. I have shown you everything. Use whichever is feasible for you. Make sure to clean the entire remote PCB to remove the excess carbon and dirt. Make sure to clean the rubber buttons also. After cleaning everything, let's put the remote back together. Make sure to align the PCB properly. As you can see, the LED is on top. Make sure to clean the back part also. Here I forgot it. Final step is to put the cells back and see if the remote is working or not. Here you can clearly see the button which was faulty before is now working perfectly. So please share this video if it helped you. Thank you. Take care. Bye.